RSVP notice where we put out a note that if anyone has announcements to make in terms of recruitment, we're happy to give you a space. Gurpreet is a person, he's got a fabulous job pitch, but his laptop is booting up. So, essentially, the important thing about working with the web and for us as technologists is that it is not just enough to say I'm exploring some subject, it's also about saying that how can I make a living doing this. Okay? And therefore, as a community, we think it's important to find ways to make it possible for this to become a commercial thing that all of us can do and say that you can actually get paid to do this kind of thing. Right? Gurpreet will tell you how he's going to pay you to do this.
Hi guys, I represent a company called Dothead, which is a part of a larger group of companies. We have 4 companies in the enterprise space: Dothead, Synapse, VisualJuju, Diagnos, and we have 2 B2C brands. One sells soap, one sells art. I just have 2 minutes, so I'll go very quick. A little bit about us. We were established in April 2000 in Goa. We launched 3 new companies in the year 2008, Dothead, Diagnos and VisualJuju. Some notable projects, and that's where we work out of in Dona Paula in Goa. Just to give you a quick thing about what we do at Dothead, we believe that we are architects from the web sense. So if there is a client who has a web product and he has some dream about what he wants to do as an objective, we come and do strategic planning with him about what their product should be, what features they should have, how we should attack the problem, then make a blueprint about how you should go about designing the entire user experience, developing it, deploying it, marketing it, and so on. Do the creative execution, how it looks, make it look very pretty, and then we have all this matter which we either give to a different software company or a construction company to build, or we sometimes build ourselves, and then you have the client outcome. So this is essentially what we do, explained as an analogy of building a house. We work out of Goa. It's not all work. There is a lot of play also. We are like a little family. We have a lot of fun also, and we are here looking for people who are very passionate about the web, specifically UX designers who can take a business idea and convert it into prototypes of a product that has some personality. We are also looking for web technologists, not coders. We are not a web design company or a web development company. So we want technologists who are not coders, but people who can architect technology solutions for our clients. So if you guys are interested, or our entire team is here, you can pop in, talk to us, and or you can write to us at gurpreet@dothead.com. Yeah, thanks.